With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. Two particles of mass m, each of are fixed to the massless rod of length 2L. Okay, the rod is hinged at one end about the smooth hinge, and it's perform oscillation of a small length in vertical plane. The length of the equivalent simple pendulum is. Okay, so here see time period t is equal to, we know how much, 2 pi under root of I, that is here I is moment of inertia upon m into g into L. Okay, so moment of inertia will be how much? Here 2 mass, this m and m, this length is L, and this total length will be how much? 2L. So moment of inertia for this mass will be how much? ml square. Okay, plus for this mass, this will be m, this will be how much? 2m. Sorry, this will be mass m and this length is 2L, so this will be 2L square. Okay, so I will be how much? This is equal to ml square plus this will be 4ml square. Okay, so moment of inertia I is equal to how much? 5 ml square. Now we got the moment of inertia. Okay, so now time period t is equal to how much? 2 pi under root 5 ml square upon m will be how much here? M and m 2m, so this will be 2m. G into L will be how much? L by 2 plus L, that is equal to 3L by 2. Okay, so from here time period t is equal to how much? 2 pi under root of, this will be m and m cancel, L and L cancel, so this is equal to 5L upon G. Okay, and we know the time period t is equal to, in simple pendulum, 2 pi under root L upon G. Okay, so when we equate both, so we will get here L is equal to how much? Here 5 by, this will be how much? 2 pi 5L by, this will be 3G. Okay, so L is equal to 5 by 3L. Okay, so this will be our answer, 5 by 3L. So see, option 4th is the here correct. Option 3rd is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.